Hey, good afternoon. Bob, Trade Genius here, the 15th of November. And I'm going to show you a couple charts, but I'm also going to show you our software. We talked in the past, we had this software called Day Trading Money Machine, and we had it on Thinkorswim, and we moved it over to TradingView, and because it's more accessible for people, and then we can make modifications to it without having to send out downloads all the time, and easier for everybody concerned. And so that's composed of two components. One is the reversal system called the slingshot. We have a slingshot buy and sell, and then we have a buy and sell, which is really a kind of more like a momentum indicator that has already discounted the fact that it's going to get reversed. So it's just a higher profit factor indicator to go long or to get out, or short if you like to do that. And so we're offering that now. And so I'll show you where you can get it in a moment. But I just wanted to show you the power of this. Is one of the things that we trade all the time is Freeport McMoran. And we bought this buy, made 4% on it a couple weeks ago. We bought this buy and we're up nearly 6% on it now. And we're still in the trade. And that's just not it. So also here, I'll give you one today that you can take advantage of tomorrow. We got a buy signal back on CCJ again. And nice thing about it is made a higher low, and I think it's gonna push up now through this area here. We're really high on uranium, but you can also day trade this thing as well, and we do that for binary options. And I'm going to show you SPX for a reason, because in TradingView you have to pay extra for the real-time access of futures, but you don't need it. You can make your trades just using SPX as a proxy, and then make your trades in Nadex. But one of the things that we do here is that we trade the slingshot with the trend. So if we get a slingshot that's going against the trend, we tend to ignore it or use it as an exit if we're already in the trade. So right away, after the market opened at 8 o'clock, you got a buy signal. If you're trading the hourly or the 20-minute, you catch this trade here. And then it gave a slingshot sell, just ignored it. You got to sell here. Since the market's going in up direction, you don't want to counter trend unless you're fast and you're pretty experienced. But you catch the next buy, and you caught that buy here too. It stalled out halfway. Good place to take profit. Came back down into the volume weighted average price area if you're following it also on Thinkorswim. And you got a slingshot buy, and this is where you just buy. And this is where you get buy for end of the day. And the thing just shot up. It gave a slingshot sell here, but once again, you ignored it, or you could exit your position. You would have had a profitable trade. And then you get into the end of the day. We even got a last minute slingshot buy, but you probably don't want to trade the last hour of the day. So you could trade this thing on the 4 hourly that we do for stocks and ETFs, or you could trade on the 5-minute, what we do for binary options. It's a really powerful tool. And so, and it's just, you could pick a stock and you can see how it works. So, and here's AG. AG just flashed us another buy. And go out here on the back on the 4 hour. Okay, so we got a buy here. Broke the channel, is coming back in. So these are the other places that I took trades on First Majestic, and on and on and on. So you could pick what you want. I think we got one on SIL here today too. Let me just take a quick look here while it's doing this thing. And but in the meantime, I'll talk to you about the specials here. Maybe I'll just flip over to those. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, we got a buy on it too. I got flashed. I got an alert. And again, you could take these and you could scalp them. One thing that people don't realize, look, you make 1, 2, or 3% on a trade, and you do that week in and week out, you're making 50 to 150% on your money. You trade no more than 4 or 6 stocks, keep it under control, you keep it managed, you do really well. And and we have specials to help you, and we have really cool specials going right now. So this one expires tonight at midnight, and if you get this one here, you get trading room, you get access to training, and you get extra 30-minute coaching session with us. This is for people who are more beginners. If you get this one right here, this is where you get the software that I referred to. You get the Slingshot software, and you get the Momentum software. We call it the Money Maker, and the chat room access, and you also get the access to the signals that we also do in addition to the trades that you can follow on your own, via the software. And then so we also have this thing called the Silver Express that we're following 10 or 12 ETFs. We're renaming this to the Moneymaker Express starting tomorrow. So could we add it more than silver and gold miners to it too? So we're following some other things that are moving, in the uranium space and also in the marijuana space. And then we'll also be putting together some short ETFs in there as well, so that when the market turns back down, that you'll have some options to trade from the short side in a safe manner. And so those get pushed out to you via email when those hit, and they're using the same software that you saw here today. It's just that we bundled the trades for you that we're following about 12 or 14 stocks. It'll get pushed straight out to your email, and then anything that we send out will get sent to you via text, and then you have options to go into software and follow your own trades. It's a really powerful system, and it's something that we've been trading on our own for years, and we thought we'd push it out to everybody, but we had to get it programmed into TradingView, and that is now complete for everything. So if you're a current customer, you already can request this starting this weekend. And then if you're just new to us, is that you have to go ahead and select November special number 3, and if you want the crypto version of that, November special number 4. And you have till tonight to take advantage of that. So with that, I wish you a good evening, and thanks for listening, and make some money with us. Bye-bye.